Good day everybody, my name is X3WEB and I'm one of the directors here at X3WEB. So if you're hosting through X3WEB, that basically means your email addresses and your domains is going through our Plesk. Now most of you guys own our management packages, so you don't really need to, you just send me a message or an email or whatever and we do this for you. But for you guys that's not on our management packages, guys, I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do this yourself, how to go into Plesk and how to set up your own email addresses. So if you guys want logins for your Plesk, make sure you guys get into contact with us, let us give you logins, and from that point onwards you'll be able to do this by yourself. Okay, so let's directly get into this. So once you've logged into your Plesk account, you're going to see your dashboard over there, and then right at the end you're going to see your mail. You want to press on mail, and then you can see mail accounts, mail settings, mail import, and you want to go to mail accounts. Okay, you see I've already got an email address on this one. I want to say create a new email address, and then it's going to go over here. So what you want to do on the other side over here, you want to make sure that you have got a WordPad or something open like this. The account I want to make is I want to call it quinton@digitaladvertisingsa.co.za. Then your external email address. So your external email address is if you lose your password or anything like that. And look, normally you'll just get a hold of us because we're a little bit different from all the other hosting companies, if you guys haven't realized yet. But if you want to do that yourself, guys, what you do is you just put in the external email address. So my other email address is quinton@gamersx3.com, which means if I lose my login for that one, I can just email it to my other email address. Or you guys can just get in contact with us. Let us do it for it's easier. Okay, password. You always want to generate a password. Once you've generated the password, you want to say show. Okay, you highlight that and you copy. Go to your WordPad and paste it onto your WordPad. Put it out of the way. And then on the bottom, your confirm password will, when you say generate, it will automatically confirm your password for you. And then your mailbox. So this is going to say if your mailbox is off, you do not have a mailbox. Mailbox must always be on. Default size, that depends on your package you are hosting through us. So if you're hosting on a bronze package, you'll have a certain amount of megabytes or gigs and so on you're using. So the more, obviously the more you pay us, the bigger your mailbox is going to be. And then you're going to say, okay. Okay, you guys can see here, Quinton Digital Advertising has been created. So what I want to do is I want to copy this email address. And this email address I am putting on my little WordPad over here. From here onwards, I need to get this onto my Outlook. So the first step you want to go is you want to go into your Windows, what's the name over here? And you want to say control panel. There's control into your Windows menu over there. Go say control panel and you're looking for something that is called mail. So you see here, this is my mail over here. You press and you want to go to email accounts. Press on email accounts. You can see all my email accounts is currently on my Outlook is over here. Then you want to press new because you're adding a new one. Okay, it's not email account. You do not want to say anything here. You want to go to manual setup. Then you want to say next. Your email address when you're hosting through X3WEB is going to be a POP3 email address. POP3 basically means it downloads your email directly onto your laptop, to your PC or to your phone. Okay, then after a while you can delete it from the server because you've already downloaded it here. For you guys that's got unlimited mailboxes, you don't have to delete it from the server, depends on person to person. I actually myself also still delete it from the server. I just keep it on my PC or on my phone. Okay, so we're gonna say pop and then you're gonna say next. Your name, my name is Quinton, but what I'm gonna do is I always put a full email address. So I always put my entire email address over here. My email address, you can copy that in there. Username, your username is always your email address. It will automatically go there. Then this side over here, it's gonna be mail.yourdomain. Okay, so not mail.your entire email address, it's mail.yourdomain, and you want to copy that and paste it in here as well. So you guys can see mail.yourdomain.co.za. mail.yourdomain.co.za. In other words, if your domain is petrus.co.za, it's going to be mail.petrus.co.za, if you guys understand what I mean. Okay, then your password, you want to go to your, so from here onwards, you want to go to your WordPad, copy that password, and paste that password directly into here. From here, do not press this button. Okay, require login using secure password. Do not press that button, there's no need to. Okay, from here, you want to go more settings. So you guys see, do not say next, because you're not going to get in when you say next. You want to go more settings. Press more settings. General, you don't have to put anything into here. You want to go straight to outgoing server. Once you're in outgoing server, you want to click that button, because my outgoing server SMTP requires authentication. We need that authentication. Okay, and then from there on, you want to go to advanced. Incoming server POP3, your default is always going to be 110. You want to click this button on the bottom, and it will automatically go to 995. Okay, so always click that button. The server requires encrypted conditions. Yes. Outgoing server, if you're hosting for X3WEB, is 465. 465. Always remember that, boys. 465. Use the following type of encryption. Okay, as you see over there, literally you saw it. There you see it. Okay, you want to go SSL TLS. Press on that button over there. And as I said earlier on, you can either save it on the server, or you can let it go, depending on your mailbox, obviously. Then you want to say okay. From here onwards, you can either test the account, or you can just say next. What I always do is I just go immediately next. It's logging in, and it sent my test. So everything is working perfectly. Then you want to close this, you want to finish this, you want to close this, you want to close this, and from there onwards, you want to go to your Outlook. Okay, so let's find Outlook over here. Here's my Outlook, so let's close everything here. And there's my new email address. So if you click on there, you want to go inbox and say send and receive. Once it's sent and received, there should be a test message from Microsoft Outlook. I hope you guys win. If you struggle with anything, guys, please feel free to get into contact with us. Thank you so much.